3, 2, 1, action.
Walk from
Now we're going to your
It's a pain to hold all of these, but they're good.
Don't you think we're moving too soon? I love to hear you when you complain about your best friend, how she's so late.
Hey guys, so I know I look dead right now, but that's because I slept 4 hours. Anyways, today we're going to e-meishan, which is like a really tall ass mountain that's also really cold. But yeah, and BD's here with me to climb it because I can't do it myself. Anyways, it's like June 16th right now, and then our
June 16th? It's July 16th!
It's July 16th right now, and we're gonna go to Cheongdu after today. I forgot to film the train because I literally knocked out immediately the moment I got on there. But anyways, we're here now. This is the map. Yeah, we're making our plan right now. Okay, we're on the bus stop. It's like looking cool. It's like one of those big vans. Also, I'm so oily right now. Oh my god. No, the road is so windy. We're gonna eat noodles for breakfast because we haven't had breakfast yet, and it's already like 9.
他说后边就是叫峨眉河。那好，我拿就多。这可以放音乐，这可以放音乐啊！
The guy feels so bubbly. I thought I was gonna throw up. It was so bad. My pimples.
I just really close when we get to the actual mountain part.
Oh, okay, no, that's not now the real hiking part has officially started. The hike has started. We're going to the gondola now. I'm so tired. We're about to ride the gondola now. It doesn't actually look that terrifying. Okay, we've made it onto like this like platform, and we're almost at the top. That's the top. Oh, it's so hot. It's burning my face. They went to the wrong place. This is the right one. Ooh, so small. Look, that one. That's mine. Oh, okay, this is the highest point in the mountain. We're just gonna go up to that very top place to look at the scenery, and then after that we're going back down to probably 10,000. Oh, that's a drone, I almost dropped my phone. We're so high up. Yo, you can see the clouds here. I'm actually pissing myself. We can see the clouds. I'm tweaking out right now.
She's tweaking out. Tweaking.
It's a pain to hold all of these, but they're good. Back to the gondola. Stop talking. I feel like it should be a vlog by itself. Yeah. Climbing up to see the monkeys now. They're kind of a menace too, so I'm kind of scared. Oh, thank God the trail is mostly flat. But, like, it's literally so pretty. That creek is literally so clear. Oh my gosh. Oh, so pretty. Hey y'all, so
What in the meishan is this?
I look like I practically just went for a swim, but no, I'm literally drowning in my own sweat. It's not okay. We made it down to the creek because we wanted to take a look. It's really cool and it's really pretty. Oh my gosh. So nice out here. It's so pretty.
The monkey place closed down, so we're literally just walking back. We walked all the way here for an hour and then we're coming back an hour. We have to catch our train at 8:30 p.m. So yeah, we have to drive back.
That's just a croc floating. Okay, so a rock fell, like a boulder fell off the mountain, and I didn't film it, but it was like so loud and it was really funny. Okay, so we stopped at a drink place and me and Baby both got
Me too and Kayla said the exact same thing.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, well, we've arrived at the station and all we have to do is go back now. We're eating walnuts for dinner. Yay! Hey guys, I know I look absolutely cuckoo right now, but it's because it's the dead of winter and I'm stressed and I need to get rid of my acne somehow, and this is the only way. But anyways, what I was saying was, this was originally supposed to be like a collection of like mini vlogs into one big vlog for China, and then I decided it was really weird and then I got lazy and then I just decided to make it one singular vlog. So I hope you had fun watching. No, you didn't, but it's okay. Bye.
Walk from
Now we're going to your
It's a pain
bed.
to hold all of these, but they're good.
Don't you think we're moving too soon? I love to hear you when you cry.